to attract mosquito.
Most easier way is that attract the mosquito come.
Mosquito prefer to come to these dark places. You can see here what method I use to attract mosquito come to this killer machine. Mosquito, dead body, all trapped inside here.
You can see inside all this mosquito dead body, yeah, all over the place. Now I'm going to remove it. Okay, you use this type of brush, don't need to open the screw. Yeah, the most easier way is that this is a mosquito killer machine. Okay, this one actually I put this one to attract the mosquito come to this mosquito killer machine. You see, this is hair tie. I use the hair tie rub to my hair, then make this hair tie got the hair smell. Okay, then you put here. Okay, then the mosquito will attract by this smell and come to this mosquito killer machine. Okay, this one I learned from my brother. This method is really good. Okay, no harm to try. Hang it to this mosquito killer machine. 1 or 2 days, you can see the result.